Hello dear students, welcome to servgyan.com career guidance portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill CLAT 2022 application form. Visit the official website of CLAT. Application form has been started. Click on CLAT 2022. Now you have to register first. Enter your name. Enter your mobile number. Enter your email ID. Now choose a password. Confirm your password and then click on register. Next, you have to verify your mobile number. Enter the OTP and then click on activate. Now your account is activated. You have to log in again. Enter your password and click on login. You can read the details regarding CLAT 2022, which course you want to apply for, 5-year LL.B course or 1-year LL.M PG course. Select the course, then click on apply for CLAT 2022. Now this is application form for UG course. First you have to upload your photograph. Next is applicant name as per 10+2 certificate. Enter your date of birth. Next is your mother's name. Next is your category, whether you belong to NRI reservation category. Select from the options. Next is NRI sponsored category. Again, you can select if applicable. Does the candidate fall under BPL? And your last is your domicile state. Next, upload the signature. Select your gender. Enter your father's name. Next is your nationality. And the last is All India category. You can save as draft and then go to next page. Next is communication details. First you have to enter your communication address. Select your state, your district, PIN code of your area, then your permanent address. If your correspondence and permanent address is same, you can enter the same. Next is your permanent address. Enter the details. The last is your alternate contact number. Click on save as draft and go to next page. Next is qualifying examination details. First is your qualifying exam. your board name, next is your appearing or appeared status, month of passing, then year of passing, and your passing percentage. Again save as draft and go to next page. Next is test center preferences. You have to select any 3 test center preferences. Again save as draft and go to next page. This is the reservation and you can read all the information. If you are applicable for reservation, you have to select, otherwise you can leave this option blank. The reservation is applicable as per university or state where candidate is applying for. For example, if you are applying for National Law School of India University, then you have to select, are you a Karnataka student? If yes, then write yes, otherwise no. You have to fulfill the reservation requirements. Again, Nalsar University of Law. Are you a resident of Telangana? If applicable, then fill, otherwise you can leave this option blank. Similarly, you can go through all these universities. You can check the boxes or fill the details, whichever is applicable. Next is declaration part. Check the box. Read the declaration and click on submit form. This is your filled application form. You can validate your email address, you can edit your application, you can delete your application if you want to. Otherwise, you can go for fee payment. Application fees is ₹4,000. Click on confirm payment. Now you can pay your examination fees. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on surfgyan.com. Thank you for watching.